Bear. Clap. What a beautiful day, Susan.
Oh, it's gorgeous. Isn't it gorgeous?
Oh, it's gorgeous. Are we rolling?
Can you get clap?
Clap.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, we're rolling now.
Oh, we're rolling. It's windy.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Matt, Mick here, Homegrown Lincoln's Food 411, and today we are at the garage. We're looking for Lincoln's best Reuben sandwich. Last time we were here, the weather was much better. It's an October day. What can you say?
Yeah.
Susan, you picked this location, right?
Yeah, I did. So I have insider knowledge that they actually do their corned beef in like a roast style every day.
Okay.
So to me, that would put the meat kind of ahead of the game.
Yeah. And that's why Susan brought us here. So let's open up. Oh, it's really heavy. You want to feel how heavy it is? Oh, yeah, it's a good start. It's a good start. So let's check it out, guys. This looks amazing. Yes, it is cold.
It looks
yes. So there are rules. There are rules. Rule number 1, they can't know we're coming.
Yeah.
No favoritism. Rule number 2, no Rachels. And then rule number 3, 1 bites. So let's get at that one bite because it is cold.
Tough.
You take this one.
Absolutely.
We're gonna rake this when we're done, guys.
Already soggy on the bottom.
Oh, it's
which
perfect.
I think is a good sign.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
All right, ready? Cheers. Boom. Oh, I have a mask on.
Okay. So
I like the
greasy.
cheese.
Yeah, it's really cheesy. Sauce to kraut ratio is good.
Pretty good. Oh, lost
Falling
it.
apart. Bread's good.
It was good. Only 1 bite to start. I should have gone in the middle.
I went in the middle.
It is good. There's a lot going on here. The cheese is awesome. The cheese is keeping it together, which is
Yeah.
pretty fantastic. Good sauce, good amount of kraut. The meat is delicious. What do you think about everything else?
I mean, like I said, I think the meat already put it over the edge, but it's not just about the meat, you know, it's about everything else, and I think the ratios and the quality are kind of fantastic.
Yeah, the bread and crisp.
Bread got a little soggy, but
On the bottom.
that just means that it's full of love.
Full of love,
full
guys.
Of grease. And I
The
love
soggy,
it.
the soggy grease love.
Yeah.
Love juice. Hashtag that.
Oh, boy.
Oh. Well, Susan, we're going to score this scale 1 to
Okay.
10, 10 being the best, of course. You can use decimals.
Yeah.
Where are you at with this sandwich?
I mean, I wish that somehow the bread was just a little more crisp. I don't know how you could do that,
I
but
picked it up like right when it came
yeah.
out. So
I'm gonna say probably like a 9, just a
Cool.
solid 9.
yeah, I was right around the same spot. I think I wanted a 9 as well.
That's great.
So guys, 9 here at the garage, which is off of 48th in Nebraska Highway. You can probably hear it back there. Check them out on social media. And as always, guys, like, follow, share Homegrown Lincoln on Instagram and Facebook. And of course, comment below if you guys want to have us check out a Reuben of your own. Cheers. We'll see you next.